anymore. With the auto and easy wash sticks, your cleaning time is cut in half. Just place the wash stick head into a bucket of soapy water. Draw back the handle and the cleaning solution fills the tube. Simply push the handle to dispense the cleaning solution onto your vehicle. With the auto wash stick, the cleaning solution feeds through the mitt and cleans smooth surfaces such as hoods, roofs, and doors of vehicles. The super absorbent lamb's wool head removes the deepest dirt and grime. The flexible head conforms to the curves and contours of any vehicle. The Easy Wash stick is great for gently scrubbing grills, hubcaps, mirrors, and more. The Easy Wash stick brush bristles are tough enough to get a good clean, yet gentle enough not to scratch the surface. The handle extends 4 feet, so roofs of cars are no longer a problem. Adding 4 feet of reach means no job is too big. RVs, windows, patio furniture. The auto-right cleaning method uses a limited amount of water, an excellent option for people living in apartments or condos, water-restricted areas, or winter climates.
Fixit's Essential Electronics Toolkit offers the tools you need to be able to open a device, swap out batteries, and replace displays. The kit comes with a magnetized driver and 16 common bits found in today's electronics, such as Phillips, Pentalobe, Flathead, Torx, and Torx Security. It also comes with a suction handle that will help you lift displays along with an opening tool to pry open devices. We also include an ESD-safe spudger for disconnecting cables, along with a jimmy that will easily slip between the tightest gaps in the toughest devices. 6 opening picks for scraping and prying. 1 set of ESD-safe tweezers to grab small screws and pieces in tight spots. And you can even stay organized by using the lid sorting tray. Devices get damaged all the time. Don't get caught off guard with the new Essential Electronics Toolkit.
Button boxes are hard to reach and usually too small for most hands to easily attach conduit connectors. Traditional methods of attaching lock nuts like a screwdriver, pliers, or fingers don't work. Klein Tools' conduit lock nut wrench turns a complicated operation into an easy 2-hand task. Perfect for hard-to-reach 1/2-inch and 3/4-inch connectors, this lock nut wrench works in deep or tight boxes where pliers and fingers can't. The patent-pending drive shaft design lets you easily loosen and tighten conduit connectors using a stationary twisting motion. Heavy-duty steel construction enables needed torque to loosen or tighten connectors. The innovative conduit lock nut wrench lets you work smarter, not harder.
The Hammerhead 4-volt rechargeable screwdriver is kind of like the Swiss Army knife of screwdrivers. Sure, you can zip in or remove a screw with ease, but you can also light an area, strip and bend wire, and detect a live circuit all in the palm of your hand. The Hammerhead 4-volt rechargeable screwdriver has a forward-reverse ring that activates with a simple twist. Once activated, the LED lights turn on, illuminating your work. When not in use, the spindle locks and can be used like a manual screwdriver. A circuit sensor is located at the front of the tool. Press the voltage detection button and place the sensor within 1 inch of a switch, outlet, cord, or fixture to see if it is live. A light and a buzzer will let you know if electricity is present. An integrated wire stripper makes short work of taking off an insulation sleeve, and wires can be bent using the bending slot on top. Take the guesswork out of any electrical project and use a rechargeable screwdriver that just does more.
When you're trying to get things done, nothing is more frustrating than working where it's hard to reach or where you can't see. Till now, meet the cordless flip out, an incredible power driver. It's compact to get into tight spaces other drivers can't, yet drives with the same power and torque as much larger tools. But here's the real magic. With flip out, you'll always come at your work from just the right angle. Flip out delivers torque and power using a design based on industrial robots. There are 3 pivoting joints. The top one pivots to reach into tight spots. The middle joint lets you reach around or over. And the third joint gives you all this flexibility with 360 degrees of rotation. The result? Flip out locks into over 380 positions, giving you power in tight spots, power in hard to reach spots, power where you need it. Flip Out gets the job done. Use a drill driver at the wrong angle and you'll quickly strip screws. But Flip Out adjusts to drive screws straight on. And with the drill driver, you just don't have control for RTA furniture. But Flip Out's variable speed switch gives you the touch you need to assemble furniture quickly. Flip Out runs on a built-in 8-volt max lithium-ion battery. And you can fully recharge it in just 45 minutes. And even if it sits for a full year, Flip Out still holds its charge. And maybe the best thing about the Flip Out is it only weighs 1 pound. So whether you're working in hard-to-reach places on electrical or plumbing, or just need a powerful driver around the house, Flip Out is a tool for you.
This is the Extend and Climb Telescoping Ladder. It is convenient to store and transport. It is also lightweight and easy to use. True Telescoping Technology is the patented technology behind Extend and Climb's series of telescoping ladders. Ladders with true telescoping technology provide maximum versatility and have been tested and surpassed ANSI and OSHA standards. True telescoping technology is safe and easy to use with its patented lock and release system. The design of the ladder allows it to firmly stay in place on all 4 points of contact. The feet of the ladder feature a double over mold design that provides strength, durability, and secure traction. Storing ladders with true telescoping technology is easy. They collapse down to the size of a lawn chair. Extend and Climb ladders can be transported in any sized vehicle. With true telescoping technology, you can easily carry a ladder with just one hand. Extend and Climb offers both a home and pro series of ladders for every application. Because of true telescoping technology, they are perfect for projects around the home. Builders, painters, and contractors of all types use them for their jobs every day. They are used in large factories, hotel chains, and warehouses.
Makes it faster and easier to fill your life with the colors you love. The 5000 is primed to handle all your painting needs, especially the long painting projects, like a hallway, a dozen doors, or a large family room. The X-Boost turbine has the power to spray all paints and stains directly from the can and comes with 2 nozzles, variable power settings, and an on-off switch on the handle so you can make adjustments on the fly. The base is stationary, so the weight stays on the floor and not in your hand, so you can spray longer with less fatigue. The 11.5-foot hose lets you paint continuously as you move along your large projects. The innovative iSpray nozzle with adjustable paint settings gives you the control to spray almost any surface. In fact, it's 12 times faster than painting with a brush. The versatile 5000 works great outside. With its long reach, it's perfect for staining a fence, tackling your garage, or painting a shed. When the large surfaces are covered, switch to the detail nozzle to get a smooth finish on projects that require more precision. And with just a few parts to rinse off, the 5000 cleans up in only 5 minutes. Pack it away in its own storage case and enjoy crossing another big project off the to-do list. Add the Flexio 5000 to your DIY tool collection and spray your world with color.
If you're looking for a drain cleaner with more power in the shower, no kinks in the sink, and that you'll love in the tub, Ridgid has the tool for you. The Power Spin Plus Drain Cleaner. With a battery-powered drill and Ridgid's exclusive auto-feed trigger technology, just pull the trigger and the 25-foot kink-resistant cable self-feeds through the drain line quickly and smoothly till it reaches and removes the blockage. Simpler blockages can be handled manually. The Power Spin Plus features a reinforced hand grip for comfort and firm control, a lightweight polyethylene drum that will not dent or rust, and a positively retained cable in the drum prevents cable pullout. When you need to clear the drain without the pain and without the mess, count on the brand with a nearly 100-year history of quality craftsmanship and a full lifetime warranty. The Ridgid Power Spin Plus Drain Cleaner.
Stick Easy Twist, and painting has never been easier. Begin by attaching the universal lid to any standard 1-gallon paint can. Place the Paint Stick Easy Twist on the fill tube, pull back on the handle, and twist. You'll be able to paint up to 64 square feet with just one fill. No more globbing or wasted paint, just perfect one-coat coverage every time. Simply place, pull, and twist for a smooth and even finish every time. No need to worry about spills, drips, and mess, because the Easy Twist Paint Stick is designed to evenly distribute paint from the inside of the roller cover to the outside with just a twist. You can paint an entire 8x8 wall like this in as little as 1 minute. Ceilings used to be a nightmare, but the Paint Stick Easy Twist large 64-inch extension handle makes painting ceilings a snap. Attach the uniquely designed spatter shield for extra mess-free protection and use it as a stop guide for wall-to-ceiling painting. Cleanup takes just minutes. Simply place the Paint Stick Easy Twist back on the fill tube, push the handle in, and the paint goes right back in the can. Flush the handle with water and rinse the roller cover, and you're ready for your next project. The HomeRite Paint Stick Easy Twist is built to last a lifetime.
Binds 48 tools into one. Introducing the Tiger Wrench. By simply clicking between the different sizes, you instantly have the tool you need for the job. Think about all the time you've wasted in the past fishing around for the right size tool. With just a few clicks of the Tiger Wrench, you'll have the right tool for the job every time. The Tiger Wrench is fast. Look how quickly the Tiger Wrench can go from one size to the next. As fast as you can click the tool, you've got a new size. And because of the unique revolutionary tooth design, you can do both standard and metric sizes. Simply flip the tool around and you have more sizes. Ordinary wrenches slip on rounded corners. Not the Tiger Wrench. Its specially designed teeth won't slip like ordinary wrenches. Ordinary wrenches can't do 45-degree angles. With the Tiger Wrench, you can easily do 45-degree angles, no problem. The Tiger Wrench is handy, convenient, and saves you time. With this one tool, you can tackle dozens of projects around the house, on the road, in the garage, or on the job. You'll use your Tiger Wrench all the time. The Tiger Wrench is well built and extremely durable. It's a heavy-duty professional tool that's designed to handle up to 300 pounds of torque.